race you to get dressed. Go!
Whoa, hold on! There's an order to this. Let's start with socks.
Socks on first, nice and snug. Hee-hee, look at ours.
Next up, pants. One leg at a time, nice and easy.
Now the shirt. Head first, then arms through the sleeves.
Whoa, it's dark in here. Hee-hee, where are the sleeves?
I got it! Pop!
Me too, that was so funny. Last but not least, shoes. Don't forget to check which foot they go on. Okay, this one for my right foot. Perfect fit. Ready, Splash? Ready, Mary. Go.
Shoes on, laces tied, fully dressed. It's a tie!
A tie, yay! We both win.
Let's remember the order. Socks, pants, shirt, and shoes.
Great job, both of you. You got dressed all by yourselves, in the right order.
Can you get dressed in the right order too?
We did it, Splash. High five. Yay, friends forever.